Hi, I'm Chef Asata with Small Bites Adventure Club, and today we're talking about tomatoes. Did you know that technically tomatoes are a fruit? It's true. Botanically speaking, tomatoes are a fruit because they have seeds inside of them, just like cucumbers and squash. What other vegetables are actually fruits? I tell you a fun fact. My kid shared with me. Strawberries are not a berry, but bananas are. Mind blown. Technically, a fruit is just part of the plant with seeds inside of it. A vegetable isn't any one part of the plant, it can be a lot of different parts of the plant. When you're eating lettuce, you're eating the leaf. When you're eating carrots, you're eating the root. And when you're eating tomatoes, you're eating the fruit. How you like them apples? Oh, she did it. Yes, she did. Share your adventure on Instagram and Facebook at Small Bites Club. And don't forget the hashtags. Hashtag Taste Test Box. Hashtag Small Bites Adventure.